Ari had those. He had those.
We have some of that stuff. We'll come up with it.
And I had some of these too.
Those two?
Mm-hmm.
You're starting to sound like
My friends
British royalty,
my
Mason.
friends want some of those too.
Your friends want some of those?
Yeah.
Which ones?
That.
These?
Yeah.
You think your friends like Eli
And Mama do.
and Chase and
And me. And
Vivian?
Mama.
You think they want some of those?
And
You know what?
And
You know who else?
And Chase and Ella and Cindy and Taylor.
Really?
And Jackson. They're all gonna come to my birthday and have some of these.
Really? You know who else wants some of those?
They want this.
You know who
2,
else? Yeah.
And 3 and 4 and 5.
Yeah.
That's the weights in those. Okay.
You know what? You know who else wants some? Guess.
Well, Camden do and Colton do and Eli do and
Guess what?
Cindy do
And Daddy does.
and Mommy does
Yeah.
and my baby does. My baby wants some of those too.
Really? How will your baby get them? By you eating them?
Yeah, 'cause they're like a tiny little bit.
Okay.
Yeah, 'cause can you bring one home for my baby sister? Can you get some for me?
Yes,
For my baby?
absolutely.
Okay, thank you. 'Cause she wants some. 'Cause my baby loves it. Now, mommy likes some of these. Hey, Dad, all those can eat. All my friends can eat some of those.
What are those? Those look like
Those are
burritos.
corns. It's corn.
Corn?
Yeah, 'cause my friends want to eat some of those too. And my friend want to eat some of those. All my friends want to eat some of those. Eli do. Eli will come to my birthday. And Mama do. And what's the best do? And
Yeah.
and Taylor do. And Cindy do. And
So you know we'll have fancy cupcakes.
we
We'll
have
nice.
fancy.
We'll have nice cupcakes.
Yeah, 'cause are you have those? Are we have those?
Ghost cupcakes? Not for your birthday. We'll probably have more summer related.
On these two.
Well, that's kind of KKK
On
cupcakes.
these two. That's what I like.
Pretty scary.
Those. Let's take a break now.
Okay, no more cupcake planning.
Yeah.
Okay, let's get your dinner done and take a bath, okay? All right, I'll see you in a second.